If you are wondering if it is possible to reverse charge other devices using your Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, then the answer is yes. Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus does have reverse charging, but only wired. Unfortunately, we do not have wireless power sharing, so in order to charge other devices, we need to use a USB cable. And this is the only method that works. So here I have Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus on this left side, and of course I can connect it to another device. This can be a smartphone, a Bluetooth device, or anything similar that can be charged with a USB cable. And if I connect, then there is a chance that your phone will be the one that is being charged instead of charging. So if that happens, you want to go to notifications, and then you need to find charging this device via USB. And over here we have reverse charging, which we can easily enable. And there we go. Now we are actually charging this other device. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.